What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. For this next job, what we're gonna do is extremely simple, and we do maintain the yard, but we only trim the shrubs and clean the plant beds when it is requested, and it is requested now. So this is a yard that we maintain, but we are going to clean up the plant beds. See? So we're going to trim this, trim the shrub over here, hit this up. And the way I do this one, guys, is I trim the weeds, and there's a lot of crabgrass, and then just spray it with non-selective herbicide. And then put some lawn care, put some pine straw on top of it. Yeah, we're not gonna do the back. So in a situation like this, we don't spray it and wait a couple of days. We just go ahead and put the pine straw on top. So yeah, quick, simple job. All right. First thing I'm going to do is get the trimmer. Good morning. How are you? And guys, this is what I like to use. Again, I've had a lot of questions in regards to the Milwaukee. It is my go-to trimmer now for what I'm doing. It works well. It is extremely sharp. It is cheaper as far as I don't have to mix any fuel. Batteries, I have a battery charger in the truck, and they charge pretty fast. The weight is a little bit less than the gas-powered equipment. And you can minimize your weight by using a smaller battery. There's a CP3, I think it's called, 3.0 battery, which is smaller. Not sure how long it lasts, but I will buy one and let you guys know. All right, let's get hot. And some of you guys ask, what is this? This is a steel head trimmer blade cleaner. All right, guys. Some of you are probably asking, what the heck am I doing, right? Um, this is pine straw. This is pine straw, and it is it decomposes. So basically, I trim everything up, trim the leaves, just mix it all up, and after a while, guys, this is all going to turn into decomposed material anyway. So instead of raking it up, you just trim it and get it all nice and level. Then we're going to blow this right in here, spray the whole bed, and then come back and put down some pine straw. That's it. Simple, plain, easy job. See what I mean? So as you can tell right now, even without blowing this over there, this looks extremely better, right? So I'm going to pick up the big pieces right there and do the same right there, then blow it, and all I have to do now is put down this the straw. All right, let me keep doing this up. And there you go. Now we spray it and then put down the pine straw. All right, guys, so what we did is we sprayed the whole thing, and now what we're gonna do is put down the straw. I'm going to time lapse this portion. I don't think I have enough straw, so I have to go and get some more straw, but let me do this little piece right here so you guys can see, and then I'll show you the after. See, that's it. So I'm gonna do the back with these 2 bales, and then go pick up about 4. Yeah, I probably need about 4 or 5 more bales, and then we will finish this up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Not bad, huh? Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that was another job, and just to let you guys know, and again, this is not what the video is all about, guys. Remember, it doesn't matter to me if you like pine straw or not. So you know, you can put it in a comment, and that's fine. But again, it's what the customer wants, and you know, pine straw is ugly, and again, that's the individual opinion. Okay, this is what they use here, this is what is preferred in my area, and this is what we're gonna sell. Okay, so be open to different types of mulch. It doesn't wash away, it doesn't do anything, guys. And as you can tell, if you look, it's all over, man. It's all over. You know, pine straw is king here. It's all over. We seldom get hardwood mulch, and because again, pine straw is so cheap, and it decomposes, and you know, that's what everybody have, right? So oh well. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Hey guys, Green Care for Troops, make sure you go check it out, volunteer, and have a blessed one. Pop Smoke. Peace.